To connect your controller box to your LEDs, you'll first need to run this black 18.3 cable from your box to your first LED, and then you'll need to attach this LED connector to it. You'll notice on all of these LEDs, it's 3 wires. You've got one wire with a white line on the side, that's your positive, the center is your data, and the other side is your ground. And that coincides with red for your positive, green for data, black for ground. So first up is connecting these. So you'll just need to remove a bit of the outer jacket on the cable, and then you strip each wire just a little bit. And you'll be using these butt connectors to connect them, so you'll want to make sure that they're stripped long enough to get about halfway into the connector, like so. And then you just use this, and then if you're using crimpers like these, use the 22 to 18 gauge crimp for, just go like that. And then you do the opposite side. Just make sure white wire goes with red. It's actually easier to put it in first. And then middle with the data. This one here. And then ground with ground. Okay, so then you've got that with that, data with data, and ground with ground. And you want to take a heat gun. And there you go.